Imagine a chord isn't just a sound. It's a physical shape, like a triangle made of glass. To change the mood of a room, you don't need to shatter the glass, you just need to nudge one corner. This is chord transformation. By moving just one finger a fraction of an inch, we open a portal to a completely different emotional world and keys. Look at this C major triad. It's bright, stable, it can be home. But if we take the anchor note and slide it just a tiny half step down, the whole structure tilts. Suddenly, the sun goes beyond the cloud. We've landed in E minor. There are 3 golden rules in the world of Neo-Riemannian theory. We don't jump, we glide, and we'll go through them right now. It's all about parsimonious voice leading, or what I like to call the lazy traveler's rule. Move as little as possible to get as far as you can. So the first one, think of this as flipping a light switch. The top and bottom stay still, but the middle note drops. C major, happy, becomes C minor, melancholic, in a single heartbeat. The second one, every major chord has a cousin. By moving the top note, the 5th, up a whole step, C major expands into A minor. Same notes, different perspective. The third one is like a slide. Drop the bottom note, the root, just a half step, and the chord loses its footing, falling gracefully into E minor. And as a bonus, let's look into another one, the most dramatic move. We keep the heart, the middle note, the same, but shift the entire auto frame. It feels like the room is sliding across the floor into a different dimension. The magic happens when you start applying these transformations to each chord. Like a game of telephone, one small change leads to another and another. Before you know it, a simple C major has evolved through an epic journey across the tonets. Whether you are gliding from a sunny major to a haunting minor or chaining shifts to travel across musical galaxies, just remember, you are never more than a few notes away from a new horizon. The keyboard is no longer just a row of keys, it's a map of infinite paths. Start weaving yours. Thank you for watching, and until next time.